Why the same patterns keep repeating in your life? Have you ever felt like the same situations keep happening in your life? The same kind of people, the same pain, and the same struggles with different faces and different places. But somehow the same pattern. What if I told you it's not bad luck? It's not coincidence. It's something much deeper happening within you. Because I have been there, repeating the same emotional cycles, living in fear, seeking approval, losing myself again and again, until life forced me to wake up. And what I discovered changed everything. Today, I am going to show you why patterns repeat in your life and how you can finally break them forever. Stay till the end because this might completely shift how you see your life. So, guys, welcome back to our magical life. Most people live their entire life thinking that I am my thoughts, I am my emotions, I am my situations. But here is the truth I realized. You are not your thoughts, you are not your pain. You are the awareness behind it, the life force energy, the God energy, which is operating through your body to experience the world, to get the experience of this world. And when you don't recognize this, you start reacting unconsciously. Same triggers will lead you to the same reactions, and the same reactions will lead you to the same results. That is how patterns are created in your life. The second reason is you are operating from fear. This was one of the biggest realizations of my life. Every decisions we make is either from a place of fear or from a place of love, means the self-love. Fear of losing people, fear of rejection, fear of not being enough. And when your life is driven by fear, you attract situations that reflect the same fear. So the pattern repeats again and again, different story, but same energy. When you realized that you are so powerful and is part of the divine energy, fear loses its grip. Third reason is you are living out of alignment. This one is deep. Pattern repeats when you are not aligned with your true self. You are not aligned with your true self whenever you say yes when you want to say no, and whenever you choose approval over the truth, or whenever you live or do things to please others. This means that you are going against your inner self, your authentic self, and that creates resistance. That resistance becomes emotional pain, and that pain becomes the patterns in your life. Reason number 4, you lost your authentic self. At some point, you stopped being you. You became who others wanted you to be, or you became who society expected you to be. And slowly, you get disconnected from your true identity, your authentic self. So life keeps repeating situations not to punish you, not to punish you, but to bring you back to your authentic self. So, how to break these patterns? Or how to Stop this cycle in your life. Here is what truly works. Shift from reacting to observing. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Start asking, what is this showing me about myself? Observe your patterns. What triggers you? What emotions do you repeat? What choices do you keep making again and again? Awareness is the first break in this pattern. So the step number one is shift from reacting to observing. Number two, choose love over fear. Every moment you have a choice, either to choose fear or to choose love. Here, love means self-love. When you realize that you are a powerful being, the fear loses its grip and the divine within you express itself through you. And when you stop resisting your authentic self, which is expressing through you, and start allowing your authentic self to express through you, you choose love. Examples of operating from fear are, when you are operating from a place of fear, you will think like this when you want to do something. You will be thinking like this: what if I lose them? What will people think when I do this? Like this. But when you operate from your authentic self, means when you choose love, and if you want to do something, you will be asking yourself like this: what feels true to me? What aligns with your soul? Like that. The moment you choose love, the pattern starts breaking. Step number three, return to your true self. This is where real transformation begins in our life. You don't need to become someone new. You need to return to you, who you truly are. Start asking daily, am I being true to myself right now? When you begin to take some action, ask yourself, am I taking this action based on my authentic self? Am I being true to myself by taking this action? Because alignment is equal to energy flow and energy buildup. And misalignment is equal to energy blockage. And blocked energy within you creates recycling repeating the cycles till you clear that block within you. Step number 4, shift your focus. Here is something powerful I learned. Where your focus goes, your reality follows. If you keep focusing on the fear, on the pain, or on the lack, you will keep recreating it. But when you shift your focus to gratitude of what you already have, or trusting the life, or looking for the possibilities in a particular situations, your entire experience begins to change. Step number 5, stop forcing, start aligning. Most people try to fix patterns by controlling everything or forcing the outcomes. But the truth is that force creates resistance. When you force things, it creates resistance. And alignment creates the flow. When you align with your true self, life stops feeling like a struggle and starts flowing naturally. And the biggest realization is that here is the truth no one tells you. Life is not repeating patterns to hurt you, it's repeating them to wake you up. Every repeated situation is asking you, will you choose differently this time? Will you finally listen to your authentic self? Because the moment you do that, the pattern breaks. So the final message is that if you feel stuck in repeated cycles, pause for a moment and ask yourself, where am I not being true to myself? Where am I not being true to my authentic self? Am I choosing fear or am I choosing love? Or am I operating from self-love? Because the truth is, you are not here to suffer the same story again and again. You are here to evolve, awaken, and return to your true self. And the moment you align with this, everything changes in your life. If this message resonates with you, it's not a coincidence. Maybe this is your moment to finally break the pattern. Comment below, I choose alignment. Like, share, and subscribe to Magical Life. And remember, your life changes the moment you stop repeating and start awakening. Patterns repeat until you choose yourself, your authentic self. Thank you, guys.